Hello friends, let us see another gate question. So it is like out of these two statements, we have to pick up the correct answer. So what is the first statement? Pile foundations are usually provided when the loads coming on the foundation are quite large. Fine. Is it right or wrong? Obviously right. Such piles may often extend up to a large depth below the ground level. What do you think, whether it is correct or not? Think about it and tell me. I think most of you will say correct. You know why? Because they said that foundation are quite large. And also you have seen that they may often extend to large depth below the ground level. These two are correct, I'll agree. But the first statement itself is wrong. You know why? Because the pile foundation is used when the loads are high and also soil capacity is less. That means if you are having gravel type soil, even though you are having the large foundation forces, you will go for the shallow foundation only. So if the soil is poor, that means if you are having some clay soils, so their capacity is very less. That's why here you will go the deep foundation. That means you can go for the pile foundation. Whatever the statements they are given is correct, but that also they have to use the term soil capacity is less. Then only we will go for the pile foundation. If the soil is good enough, then we don't go for the pile foundation. We'll always go for the shallow foundation. Okay, that's why statement 1 is wrong. Don't decide whether it is right or wrong by seeing only one term. Read the entire point and then decide it. Okay, I think most of you will pick first one is correct answer. But they have not mentioned anything about the type of the soil. So pile foundation, whether we have to go for it or not, it again depends upon the type of soil also, remember this. Then what about the second point? Precast piles inserted into the holes, bored at the side, do not get damaged while they were driven into the ground. What do you think, correct or wrong? Precast means already they have made in the factory or at some site. So what they have done? They have bored the site up to a depth. In the borehole, they are inserting the precast piles. So will they damage? No, they will not damage. That's why statement 2 is correct. So what is the correct option? Only statement 2 is correct, 1 is wrong. I think most of you will pick 1 and 2. Remember, if it is a pile foundation, it depending upon the load and also it depends upon the type of the soil. Okay, thank you.